Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how I'm going to make some cheese ravioli in a turkey sauce. Okay, so let's call it turkey sauce with ravioli. How about that? Maybe you could come up with a better name. Okay. All right. Let me adjust the camera. Let's get started. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me show you what we're working with. This is some ravioli that I already boiled for 12 minutes and drained. This is some cheddar cheese that we're going to be using. This is ground turkey that I cooked in the air fryer. You can go over and check that video. This is a tomato sauce that got basil in it and some salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. We're going to put some sauce in the bottom of the pan. You want to coat the bottom nice, okay? So I did about 2 scoops of that. Okay, now I'm going to let's put the turkey in first. Okay, cool. Now let me just show you that. Oops, show you that. So you can get a view of what I'm doing. Alright, now we're going to put some ravioli on top of that. Okay, let's put some sauce on top of each ravioli. Make sure it's covering all the edges of it. You need more sauce, put more sauce on it. Alright, let's put some cheddar cheese on there. So you see what I'm doing. I'm layering up, right? Now, let me show you that. Okay. Okay, so let's put some more meat on. This is the ground turkey we cooked in the air fryer with sassoon on it. Okay. Now that we have that all on there, let's put some cheese on. Now more sauce. And this, how you put it on, it doesn't matter. What order you want to do is fine. Okay, in my last ravioli, okay, and you're going to put your last sauce on top of the ravioli, covering it completely. You don't want no edges not covered. Make sure you get your sides with your sauce. Okay, that looks good to me. Now, top it off with cheese. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put it in the air fryer oven. This is a cake pan if you're wondering what kind of pan I'm using. Okay, let's turn it on. We don't want it cooking at 370 because the cheese will burn. Let's go with 350 and let's go with 15 minutes. Remember, the ravioli is already cooked. The round turkey is already cooked. All you're doing is bringing together everything with the cheese, alright? Alright, so we'll be back in 15. Let me also tell you before I go, because I don't want you to miss this. On May 31st, this video may or may not be out before then, but on May 31st, I'd like for you to look up this video. It's called Grandma Ray Seeking YouTube Advice. I think it's saying Grandma Ray is single, seeking YouTube advice. Don't worry, it's on there. You won't miss it. Look for that. And basically, I thought about going on a dating service because I'm ready to get back out there and see who I can find to make my life complete. And I said, well, why would you go on a dating service when you have your own channel? There's no need for that. So I put my appeal out on my own YouTube channel. And I'm looking for you, my YouTube family, to give me your advice. Because you may have been there and I need to go there and I need your advice, okay? Alright, so that's the word of the day. Help Grandma Ray. She's looking for a mate and she needs the YouTube family advice. Okay? Alright, so that is the best word of the day, right? Alright, we'll be back in 15 minutes, okay? Thank you. Okay, our 15 minutes have stopped. Let's take a look. Okay, looks good. Let's take a temperature. No, we're only at 120. Remember, to serve food hot, you want it to be at least 165, okay? Alright, so let's put that back. So we already had it cooking for 15 minutes. Let's go for 10 minutes. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. Oh, it's on, look at that, 370. We don't want on 370, we want on 350 because we don't want the cheese to melt. Okay, so we have the temperature on 350 for 10 minutes more. Okay, that'll be a total of 25 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, we have 4 minutes left on our additional what was it? 7 minutes maybe I put in? Let's see. 3 minutes left now. Alright, let's check the temp. We started with 15 and I'd say it's been cooking around another 5, so let's say 20 minutes. Let's check the temperature. Okay, we're just at 145, so I need to let that go ahead and cook the last 3 minutes. So that you're not confused, in case I confused you. I started with 15 minutes and I added another 7, I believe. So that will be a total of, what, 22 minutes, okay? So we're going to just let that cook on out the last 3 minutes, and we'll wrap it up on the 22 minutes, hopefully. We're still going to take a temperature because that is really how you should be cooking, okay? Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, we're all done with our time. Let's see. It's not moving. Let's see what's going on. Oh. Okay, let's try this. It's moving. Okay, we're there. All right. So let me let you take a view. Here we go. How about that? Uh-oh. Okay, and let me see if I can get in the picture. There we go. How about that? Huh? Okay. Now, let me take a taste. Just want to poke right in there and take me some out. Okay, here we go. Really good. I like it. And I'm not a pasta person, but I like it. Okay, so you try yours and you let me know, okay? Alright, until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.